Once you've prepared your property for your pest control treatment, it's time to apply your Alpine WSG insecticide. The best time to apply your pest control treatment is on a calm day, when there's no wind and when rain is not expected for 24 hours before or after you spray. This will help maximize your perimeter pest protection. Before getting started, put on your personal protective equipment, including long sleeves, long pants, socks, closed-toed shoes, and chemical-resistant gloves. In a clean sprayer, mix 1 packet of Alpine WSG with water to make 1 gallon of finished solution. Start by filling your sprayer tank half full of water. Then add the Alpine WSG packet. Shake the sprayer to mix the solution. Add the other half gallon of water to make 1 gallon of finished solution. Depending on the amount of finished solution required to spray the perimeter of your structure, you may need to repeat this step for each gallon. Now that you've mixed your insecticide, it's time to spray. First, you'll want to spray around the foundation using a coarse spray. Apply a continual band up to 10 feet around the foundation. For example, a 10 feet band can be 7 feet out and 3 feet up, or 5 feet out and 5 feet up. You'll want to make sure you apply enough spray to cover the surfaces without having excessive dripping or runoff, and spray enough over any ground coverings to reach through to the soil. After you've sprayed around the foundation, apply around window frames, around door frames, around vents, and where cables, pipes, and wires enter the structure. You can also spray the underside of eaves, roof overhangs, and soffits. You can apply Alpine WSG to impervious surfaces like paved driveways, concrete landings, sidewalks, or patios. Avoid spraying around wells, well houses, or gutters where the spray could run off into storm drains or drainage ditches. After you've finished applying your Alpine perimeter spray, follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean your sprayer. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.